Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video today, right now, you're probably doing a bit of research on YouTube about how to make money selling digital products, okay? So over the next few minutes, I'm going to talk a little bit about that. I'm going to talk about 5 steps that you can implement inside of your business today to sell digital products successfully, how to make money from it. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe link, because I'm always talking about how to earn more profit inside of your online business, okay? And at any time, you can click on the link right below. You can see it pop up now. That will reveal to you my 6-figure affiliate marketing strategy, so you don't have to wait for this video to end. You can just feel free to click on that anytime you want, okay? So let's talk a little bit about digital products, right? So how do you find them? How do you make money from it? How does this whole, digital information selling work, okay? Well, the first thing, and it's very important to understand that if you want to get into this business, right, of selling digital products, then you have to sell good products, okay? Because there's so many people out there that just sell junk. And when you're selling junk, if you're selling crappy products, if you're selling, crappy business opportunities, then you're going to struggle. You might make money in the short term, but in the long term, you're really not going to do that well, okay? So it's very important that you vet your products well, and the easiest way to vet your products, I think, is to buy them, is to literally just buy them, review them, consume the product yourself, and if it's good, then sell it. If it's not good, don't sell it. Continue to research, continue to buy products until you find a range of products that are good enough for you. If you can sell them to your mom, if you can sell them to your sister, your father, your brother, that is a good product, okay? If you feel a little bit weird about the product, then it's probably not that good. And so remember that, yes, you can make money in the short term, but this is a long-term business, right? You want to be able to build your business for the next 20, 30, 40 years, hopefully pass it on to your kids and your kids' kids, okay? And if you're not going to be proud to pass it on to your kids, then you're probably selling the wrong stuff. Now, having said that, there are a lot of different places that you can choose products from. There are a lot of marketplaces, so I'll teach you a very cool little strategy. You just go into Google, you type out, what are the biggest digital product marketplaces or affiliate product marketplaces. It's the same thing. Digital products and affiliate products are pretty much the same thing. That's an acronym, right? And then you'll have a whole list, okay? So some of the big ones are Share a Sale. Another one is ClickBank. There's some really, really big ones out there. I think CB Network is one, if I might be thinking of that wrongly, but Google it, and then you'll find a whole host of them there, and they will basically offer you different products in any kind of niche market that you can think of, whether it's weight loss, whether it's finance, whether it's internet marketing, whether it's gardening, whether it's learning how to generate leads to your business. So many different strategies, okay? The second thing that I would say is, once you have a product that you want to market, you have to learn to get a lot of eyeballs to your product. That's very important, right? So if you don't understand how to get people to see your stuff, then you're going to be in big trouble, right? And the big piece of advice that I can give you today is, make sure that when you are generating leads and eyeballs and what we call traffic in this industry, right? So new customers coming to your website, that's called traffic, all right? It's just like, traffic down a highway, right? The more traffic you have coming down the highway, for your business anyway, the better it is, not necessarily on the highway because it's all jamming up, right? But that's what you want to do. You want to jam as many people into your business, the front door of your business, as possible. And what I would say is, the best type of leads and traffic and new customers and eyeballs that you can generate for your business is definitely traffic that you create yourself, okay? How do you go out there and learn how to attract people towards you and your business, right? And there's so many different ways. There's, social media, there's banner advertising, there's a lot of ad networks out there, right? If you think of every single social media website, they also have their own ad platforms, right? So Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, they all have their own native ad platforms. So all you need to do is go out there, buy some training on how to, do Facebook ads, or buy some training on how to do YouTube ads, or buy some training on how to do Instagram ads, and then invest in those courses, learn how to do it, and then implement it inside your business. That's actually, the best way to learn how to generate a lot of traffic. And the more people that you can get through your front door of your business, right, the more digital products that you will sell, okay? So step number 1, sell good products. Now you know where to find them. Step number 2, generate as many new customers through the front door as you possibly can, okay? Number 3, how do you sell or make money through selling digital products is you need to be able to give value. So you have to do a lot more than just promote the products, because if you're just out there promoting the products, then you're gonna look like millions of other digital product sellers out there, okay? And all these digital product sellers, the problem is if you look the same as everybody else, well, no one's gonna buy your stuff. Okay, so the whole point here is you have to think about how do you be unique so that people will actually want to connect with you, get to know, like, and trust you, so that they finally feel comfortable buying your products. It's not enough to just, shove a product in front of their face, right? So if you just shove a product in front of their face, they're not necessarily going to buy your products, and that's something that you have to remember. That's really important, okay? So make sure you give value, and when I say give value, I think that the easiest way to explain this is a little formula that I used, all right? I coined this formula. It's called the STT model, okay? So you share, you train, and you teach. Okay, STT, share, train, teach. The more that you share, train, and teach your potential customers that are coming through your front door, the more you're going to build trust with them. And the more you build trust with them, when you recommend a product, they will actually buy it. So if it's a digital product, they will actually take your recommendation seriously, and they will actually buy it, right? So how do you share, train, and teach? Well, really simple. If you're in the weight loss industry, make sure you share a little bit about your story. Make sure you teach them a few things about how to lose weight, and then how do you train them? So train them where you'd literally, break up how you would do the business, and you would literally go into your computer and you would train them, or you would go into the gym and actually show them how to do bicep curls and how to do compound weight exercises and things like that, right? So share, train, and teach. And the more you do that, the more credibility you build, the more authority you build, the more trust you build, okay? And that's how you get people to buy digital products from you. The fourth thing, and this is something that you can use, and I use this a lot as well, is you can create a series of bonuses, okay? So if you're selling, for example, a weight loss course, that's a digital product, right? You could put together your own bonus package, right? So your bonus package could consist of a few different things. It could consist of, the foods that you have been researching and eating over the last 6 months that has helped you to lose 30 pounds. So you could put that list together and give it to your potential customer. You could even say, look, obviously you're gonna learn how to lose a lot of weight from this course that you're gonna buy, but after doing this for 6 to 12 months, I find that these exercises, which they don't really talk about inside of the training, are the ones that work the best for me. So I'm gonna give you those exercises as well, okay? And so if you can package up a bonus that will complement the digital product that you're selling, that will really, really help you to increase the amount of sales that you're generating. Because now people aren't just buying the product, they're also getting your bonus in addition to that product. So that's a big deal, right? And then another thing as well is make sure you use testimonials, right? So make sure you leverage testimonials that are not necessarily inside the product, right? So you can use your own testimonials from the training that you've done, or you can borrow testimonials from the product and then take them out and put them on your own website, right? So every time you send out an email to your list of subscribers that are going through your training, you could say, hey, listen, I know that you can see tons of results in the actual product itself, but here are some of the testimonials of people doing really, really well with this program. And you could literally do a video on it. You could read through it. You could even interview people that have gotten results, through Skype, for example, put it on YouTube, and then you could send it to your potential subscribers. And so the more testimonials you have, the better your bonus is. These are all little things that will entice your potential customer to want to buy that particular digital product from you, right? Because you have to think about, how do you stand out from the thousands of other people online that are selling the same digital products, right? Because some people will sell the same digital products, unfortunately, right? So one of those ways is to create your own bonus, is to provide value, because a lot of people don't understand this whole STT model. A lot of people don't provide value. They don't understand how to share, train, and teach, and they don't leverage testimonials. So make sure you do these 3 things, and I know that will help you tremendously inside of your business, okay? Let's see how long this video is running for. Okay, I'm gonna share one more secret with you, and I think that this is huge. And a lot of people that sell digital products online, I guess they're just a little bit lazy. They can't be bothered to do this. But one of the ways that I build even more trust with the people on my email list, because that's what you'll be doing. You'll be collecting emails and building a relationship with them, is I give them my email address and I also give them my Facebook Messenger username, okay? So they can message me on Facebook Messenger and they can send me an email and I will actually respond, okay? And this is like an added depth in your marketing, a way for your potential customers to communicate with you. So if they have any questions, they can literally send you an email and you'll reply, okay? Or they can send you a little chat or text on Facebook Messenger and you will actually reply some of the questions that they have. And I think that's a big deal. That's a big way to connect with your audience and create more trust, because a lot of them never get responses from most of the marketers out there that sell digital products. So the fact that you're going to respond to them, it's a huge deal, okay? And these are literally the 5 steps. So I'm just gonna go through them again and then I hope that helps you, okay? So number 1, sell good products, okay? Obviously there are lots of great affiliate marketing websites, digital product websites that you can go out to. You can just use Google to search for them. Step number 2 is learn how to generate your own traffic. Don't buy other people's traffic. So don't buy solo ads. Don't buy email drops. I think the quality is generally very low. You can test it if you want, but I still think that you're gonna get much better results by learning to generate your own traffic. So going out there, leveraging social media, leveraging native paid ad platforms, and learning, becoming a master of those particular ad platforms and then attracting people towards you. That's what I mean by generating leads, okay? Third thing is give value. Make sure you're not always selling hard. You want to practice the STT model, so share, train, and teach your potential customers, right? And that's how you attract them towards you. That's how you build trust. Number 4, make sure you use your own bonuses. Come up with an awesome bonus package. Leverage testimonials of other students, other customers, your own testimonial as well. And then number 5 is give your customers a way to contact you by giving them your email address and your Facebook Messenger username, so that they can ask you questions and you can reply. And all that does is it makes you become a real person, okay? And as soon as they know you're a real person, it just increases the conversion rates tremendously, because now they feel comfortable buying these digital products from you. And if you do all these 5 things in combination and you're really consistent at it, this is how you're gonna make money selling digital products. I hope that makes sense, okay? So listen, I'd like to know, what did you think of this video today? Is this the first time that you're learning about selling digital products online? Would love to hear in the comments below. If you got some value from this video today, would love and appreciate some thumbs ups, okay? And listen, everything that I spoke about, these 5 steps, all right? I cover them in a lot of detail inside of my free affiliate marketing training, digital products training. All you need to do is click on the link right below. I will send you that for free if you decide to get in, all right? And it will literally teach you exactly how I built out my 6-figure digital product business, okay? And you can just copy it, and it talks a lot about what we just spoke about today, but in a lot more depth. I'm talking about, you come into my home office, you get to see my whiteboard, you get me to see, I write things up, I show you stuff on my computer, and that's the best way for you to learn how to do this if you're interested, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope you learned a ton today, and I will catch you very soon on another video. Take care.